Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today's video we are going to be looking at simultaneous equations actually, but particularly obviously using the elimination method to work out our answer. Okay, so this is obviously aimed at GCSE, obviously higher and foundation for AQA, EdXL and OCR, and we're looking like roughly like grade 5 actually, grade 5 plus actually, so it's the top end of grade 5. Right guys, if you're new to my channel actually, my name is Abdallah actually, and I'm a private maths tutor and a qualified teacher. Okay, don't forget obviously to like my video guys and subscribe actually, if you're new to my channel. Okay, and we will look at today's video actually, which is obviously simultaneous equations. Right guys, so simultaneous equations actually, so this is where I have equations, so like two equations that involve two variables. So a linear equation is an equation that involves like one letter, so one variable. A simultaneous equation involves two letters. Okay, so we have two equations, obviously to solve for two variables, for x and y. Okay, so we will be looking at three examples for today's lesson. Right guys, example one actually, so I've got so the question says actually solve x plus 2y equals 10 and 2x plus 2y equals 14. Right guys, so if you look here, so what I'm going to do is I will try and eliminate like one of my variables. And what I'm going to do is I will do equation 2 subtract equation 1. So what that means is I'll do 2x minus x, which is going to be just 1x, which is x, 2y minus 2y, which give me 0, 14 minus 10, which is 4. So my x solution, so I get x is equal to 4. Now this only works here if if I have the same numbers here, okay. Yeah, obviously for like that. So if it was a 2x there instead actually, and it was a y there, then I would get a solution for y rather than x, if that makes sense. But this is how I work out my solution obviously for x. Okay, so what I've done is I've eliminated one variable by subtracting one equation from the other, because 2y minus 2y gives me 0. So that's how I get the elimination. I would then substitute guys x equals 4 into equation 1. So I'd get 4 plus 2y is equal to 10. Sorry, it might be hard to see actually. I would then solve this linear equation actually. So I'd minus 4 on both sides. I would get 2y is equal to 6. 2y means 2 times y. So the opposite of times by 2 is to divide by 2. So y is equal to 3. So my solutions to this equation, it would be x equals 4 and y equals 3. Now my final step, guys, is I can check my answer by subbing in x equals 4 and y equals 3 into equation 2 to show that the left-hand side must equal the right-hand side, actually. So if we just check, actually, so 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 times 3, which is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, actually. So therefore, that is correct for my answer. Yep, so that is correct, okay? So that's example 1, guys. Right, guys, example number 2. Okay, so we're going to look here at solving like this equation. So we've got 2x plus 4y equals 6, 4x plus 3y equals minus 3. Okay, so this time I have to multiply one of my equations here to get one of them to be the same. So I've times equation 1 actually by 2. So I get 4x plus 8y equals 12. Okay, 4x plus 3y equals minus 3. Okay, because I want the x's here to be the same. Okay, if it's the same sign, guys, I would subtract. Okay, so same signs here, I would subtract. Same signs, I would subtract. If it's different signs, I would actually add my equations. But we'll come on to that on the last example. Okay, so 3 minus 2, so 4 minus 4x, it would be 0. 8y minus 3y would give me 5y. 12 minus 3 actually gives me plus 15, so 5y equals 15. Therefore, y equals 3. I would then sub y equals 3 into equation 2 to work out x. So I get 4x plus 9, because 3 times 3 is going to be 9, is equal to minus 3. Rearrange this here, I get x equals minus 3, so that would be my answer for that one. So x equals minus 3 and y equals 3 for these equations. Okay, and then lastly, guys, 2x plus 4y equals 10, 5x minus 3y equals minus 18. Okay, so this time what I'm going to do is I will multiply this equation by 3 and this one by 4. So I get a 12y and a 12 actually, but I will do something different for this example actually, guys. So, timesing it by 3, I get 6x plus 12y It should be 30 actually. It should be 30 actually, not 20. I've made a mistake there. Okay, and then 5x minus 12y is equal to minus 72. Yeah, so yeah, it's just a mistake actually. So it should be 30 actually. Should be 30 there. Okay. 6x plus 8y equals 30. Not 20 actually, and then yeah, so that'll actually change our answer completely actually. So yeah, so you'll get 6x plus 2y is equal to 30, 20x minus 12y is equal to minus 72. I would then add both equations actually, yeah, so I would add both equations, okay, so I'd get 26x actually equals minus 42 actually. So x will be equal to minus 26 over 42. Okay, which will be simplified to minus 13 over 52. Over 26. Okay. I would then sub that in to work out my value for y. Okay, yeah, and then I will get like an answer for y. Which what I'll do, guys, is I will leave a link in the description actually, because I've not actually worked out the correct one actually for this. But yeah, yeah, I will leave like an answer for that in the description below actually. Okay, right guys, thank you for watching actually. Yeah, obviously please do like and subscribe to my channel, yeah, and press the notification bell. Okay, I hope that actually made sense, guys. Yeah, apologies actually for like rushing the video. Okay, and apologies actually for making so many mistakes actually on my videos actually. So I do apologize for like making a lot of mistakes. Okay, feel free obviously, yeah, obviously if you want actually, feel free to put the solutions for the example 3 actually in the comments below actually. Yeah, that's fine. But what I'll do is after the video actually, I will put the solution for example 3 actually in the description below actually. But the point is, yeah, is for if the signs are different, yeah, I have to actually add my equations. If the signs are the same, I would actually subtract my equations. Okay, so yeah, that's like another key point. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope everyone's staying well actually and safe. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Happy Wednesday now. Bye now.